Please.
Yeah, just I can move you about if I need to.
You can move me about. Right. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday the 21st of February. It's really good to see you all back at school today, and I hope you all had a fantastic holiday last week and you're all rested and ready to go again for a really important term. So welcome back. Just a short message assembly from me today, a short heads up assembly. A few things I wanted to talk about. First of all, masks. You know, you'll have heard that the Scottish Government have said that as of next week, so not this week but next week, that masks are not essential to be worn by pupils in classes as of next week. But that's not this week. So this week's is as we were. It's everywhere in the school. Next week we will give you more information this week about what the changes are going to be, but we know that you will still have to wear a mask in school in communal areas. So that's the corridors, the canteen, everywhere except inside the classroom, where that's going to be relaxed a bit, but we will give you proper details about it later on. Okay, so this week it's business as usual, and next week you will still have to bring a mask and wear a mask to school. Okay, they have also said that schools can arrange to have assemblies, so we will look into that and do them as soon as we can, and also transition visits, and that means that our primary sevens will be able to come in to the academy this year, which is great. So things are moving in the right direction, but as a school we've got to keep really tight and really organised and make sure we're following everything to the letter to keep us all safe and to make sure that we can all attend school and stay healthy. Other messages, just a reminder really, to be honest, about mobile phones. Thank you for your efforts with that. You've had a week with your phone, I imagine, so it's back to school and they're not to be out in classes. Okay, that's very important. The mobile phones off, switched off and out the road when you're learning. And just a general one, you know, back to doing your best, back to giving everything you can. Our school values, about effort, about respect and ambition. That's what we're about here in the academy. I talked to you about before the holidays about the definition of respect, and I'll ask that will be up on the screen here for you to see, and that's all about allowing others to learn and using appropriate and respectful language around the school. So a reminder about that. And to our seniors, big term for these guys. This is the final push really up until Easter holidays for learning and for their exams, which will come up in May. The other thing going on in the school is course choice just now, so that's taken up a lot of time. Thank you to everybody involved in that, and that process is going really smoothly. So, you know, just a reminder of the basic things, but guys, back to doing your best at school, everything you can in terms. So this is obviously in preparation for next session, really important. Lots of course choice interviews and you know, people choosing their subjects for next session. That's happening at the moment. So we just need to keep working really hard, guys. Keep working really well together as a big team in the school, as a big community. That's what we do really well. We all help each other, and you know, we look forward to this term. You know, really, you know, we really look forward to this term, this session, to get us up to Easter holidays, and we'll keep you in touch. We'll keep you updated with any changes around masks and exactly what it'll mean. But it's business as usual just now. Thank you.